Mr. Nielsen, you heard during the prior argument a lot of conversation about how broad Florida's law was. I read Texas's law to be more narrow in its coverage, that it wouldn't sweep in some of the examples we were using in the last argument, like Uber, Etsy. Am I correct?
I think that's fair, Your Honor.
So what platforms does Texas's law cover? Am I right that it covers only the classic social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook?
So that's what their deponent has said. The only one that they were sure that it was covered is Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.
But that's their deponent. Presumably Texas is the one who can if it was in the Texas courts, I mean, it's not them. They're not the ones that get to decide authoritatively what the scope of the law is.
Well, correct. I mean, we would have to prove it at trial that they're
what's
subject
Texas's
to it.
position about the scope of the law?
Well, the law says that it applies to any platform with more than 50 million active users per month. So I'm not sure where some of the other platforms fall on that. The ones, like I said, that we know are the three biggest ones fall.
So you're making that judgment based on size. So it's nothing about the definition. I mean, in the last argument, we were pointing out that the Florida law in defining what a platform does and how it works would encompass Uber, for example. But you're saying that you're just distinguishing this based on numbers.
No, I apologize, Your Honor. There's also a separate provision which defines social media platform as a website open to the public, allowing a user to create an account, and enables users to communicate with other users for the primary purpose of posting information, comments, and so on.
And so is it Texas's position that that definition then covers the classic social media sites? And by classic social media sites, I mean sites like Facebook and YouTube?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and that it would not sweep more broadly to some of these other things like Etsy?
I don't think so, Your Honor. But it's
the district court thought it covered WhatsApp. Do you think that it doesn't?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know the answer. That's the best I can give you. I don't know. We don't have discovery into that. We have the deponent. Their own witness said these are the three that we are sure are covered. It might very well be. That's another reason why it's hard to do this on a facial basis, because it might very well be WhatsApp, which sure looks like a telephone to me, would be covered by